Ever wondered why women seem to be attracted to men who appear emotionally distant? It's a strange paradox, isn't it? Today, we're going to unravel this intriguing puzzle, starting with a concept that might be more familiar to you in the realm of economics than romance: the scarcity principle. This principle suggests that value is inherently tied to scarcity. When something is in short supply, we instinctively attribute more value to it. Now let's translate this to the world of dating. If a man is excessively available, always ready to jump at a woman's beck and call, it can paradoxically diminish her initial attraction. Why? Because in her eyes, his time and attention are not scarce. Hence, they lose value. So how can men navigate this tricky dynamic effectively? The answer lies in cultivating independence. Pursue your own interests, hobbies, and friendships. Maintain a life outside of the relationship. This doesn't mean ignoring her or playing mind games, but rather creating a healthy dynamic where your time becomes a desirable and valued commodity. Remember, your time is valuable. Make it a desired commodity. Now, let's move on to the challenge factor. Women are naturally drawn to challenges. It's a fact. You see, in the grand scheme of attraction, confidence, clear boundaries, and authenticity are the trifecta that makes a man more intriguing and desirable. Confidence exudes an air of self-reliance that is undeniably attractive. Clear boundaries, on the other hand, demonstrate self-respect and command respect from others. Finally, authenticity, the key that unlocks a deeper level of connection. So, how can you incorporate these elements into your dating strategy? Simple. Express your opinions, thoughts, and beliefs openly. Don't be afraid to voice your views, even if they differ from hers. Avoid being predictably agreeable, because let's face it, predictability can be boring. A certain level of unpredictability keeps things exciting and enhances attraction. Remember, it's not about playing games, it's about being genuine and true to yourself. Dare to be different. Your authenticity is your magnet. Ever heard of the allure of the forbidden fruit? It's more than just a biblical reference. It's a psychological phenomenon that has been observed time and again in human relationships. Women, like everyone else, are often drawn to what they perceive as unattainable or off-limits. It's a tantalizing mystery, a challenge that begs to be solved. This perceived unattainability creates an internal conflict, a push and pull dynamic that fuels attraction. It's the thrill of the chase, the excitement of the unknown, the anticipation of what could be. The forbidden fruit becomes all the more enticing, radiating an allure that's hard to resist. But how do you harness this allure? The key lies in patience and authenticity. Allow connections to develop naturally without rushing into emotional matters. Maintain a sense of self-respect and don't appear too eager. Remember, it's not about playing hard to get, it's about being worth the effort. Play the long game. The fruit is sweeter when it's earned. Finally, we have the ego boost. It's more than just feeling good about oneself. A fundamental aspect of human interaction, and particularly romantic involvement, revolves around the emotional highs we give and receive. Interestingly, women often derive a certain pleasure from the emotional spikes that men provide, even if these emotions include anger or jealousy. It's a complex dance that underscores the dynamics of attraction. Now, this doesn't mean you should intentionally provoke negative emotions. Far from it. Rather, it speaks to the importance of showing genuine interest and appreciation. The key is to avoid overdoing compliments or grand gestures of affection. Being too effusive can come off as insincere or needy, which can be a turnoff. Picture it like this. Be the person who provides a boost to her self-esteem, a boost to her day, a boost to her life. But remember, it's about balance. Don't become a boastful caricature of yourself. You're not there to inflate your own ego, but to create a mutual sense of value and appreciation. Find that balance. Be the boost, not the boast. So, what have we learned today? We've unpacked the psychology behind women's attraction to emotionally distant men. We discovered the scarcity principle and how maintaining your own life and interests can make you more desirable. We explored the challenge factor, understanding that unpredictability and authenticity enhance attraction. We delved into the allure of the forbidden fruit, noting that a sense of unattainability can fuel attraction. And finally, we examined the ego boost, realizing that a balance of interest and boundary respecting can keep a woman feeling special. Equip yourself with this nuanced understanding of human behavior and transform your approach to dating. Start implementing these strategies today and witness the positive impact on your dating life. Remember, the game of attraction is a dance, not a race.